What's up, guys? So today I have here is a Dell Precision 7510, okay, and I want to install a gaming SSD card. So this is T4's Carter 0Z3301 terabyte. Okay, so let's get going. So the back side, you'll take out this cover first. You'll slide this here, and this cover will slide out. With that being said, you do have little star screws on both sides. You would take those off. Okay. For now, I will take off the battery just in case. No electricity, so that's out. So now I have a little star screwdriver in this side, and I will take that off. And you have one in this side. So then this slides out. Bring it up. There you go. So your SSD will go here. So this is the slot which it will go in. Bring the camera a little over there. Right here. So we'll take it off the cover. Okay. Once that cover is off, we'll get your SSD card. Look just like this, and you'll slide it in. Match up. You see a little groove there, you match it up, bring it in, and you bring it down. Bring it back up. We have a little screw here. Take off the little screw. That screw will hold your card down. Put the card back in. Bring it down. You can see that it lines up where the screw was. Line it up, put it in. Okay, there you go. You have installed the SSD card. Put this cover back in so it can protect it. Okay, that is installed. Now you'll grab your plate back, slide it in. Okay, I just have one screw. Once that's in, screw it down. Put your battery back. Bottom cover. And your SSD card is installed. Very easy, very quick, awesome.